For today's video, marami sa inyo ang nagrereklamo about Atome na nag-automatic convert siya into installment kapag nakalimutan yung bayaran on time, di ba? And at the same time, dati hindi natin alam na merong deadline sa pagbabayad. And meron sa inyo na naka-experience dyan na like past 11:30 nagbayad noon, tapos nag-auto-convert pa rin into installment. And that is because of the deadline. Ngayon, because of the recent changes nga with Atome, yung deadline na yan is na-move ng 9 o'clock p.m. And kapag nag-auto-convert naman to installment, ang hirap, di ba? Instead na ma-avail mo yung zero interest, magbabayad ka ng interest na around 6% based dun sa installment term. And minsan, converted pa yan up to 6 months. So, medyo masakit sa bulsa. Ngayon, may nakita ko na sa tingin ko mare-resolve yung ganyang problema. So, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge. Naginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. So nasabi ko naman sa inyo kanina sa intro natin na may nakita akong solution para dyan sa problema na yan. Para hindi tayo magbayad ng 6% na interest sa loob ng 6 months, di ba? Ang sakit din nun. Nakalimot ka lang ng isang araw para bayaran yan. Eto, meron tayong solution dyan. But, before we go to that, basahin natin tong isang post sa Reddit about his or her issue ng auto-convert into installment ng Atome. And then, i-resolve natin yan maya-maya. So, it was just posted 4 days ago dito sa subreddit na PH Credit Cards. Sabi niya, Atome auto-converted my bill into installment. Hi everyone, just sharing this experience in case makatulong sa iba. I had a bill due and I was planning to pay within the same day. Later that evening, na-shock ako because I received a notification na paid na daw. Yun pala na auto-convert na siya into installment plan. So, ito daw. What bothered me? I was under the impression before na later pa yung cut-off like late in the evening. So, I thought may time pa ako to pay. So, maybe hindi niya alam na nag-move na yung cut-off from 11:30 to 9 p.m. Okay, I didn't receive any clear or specific reminder na auto-convert na siya at a certain time of the day. Which is, tama naman, wala naman talagang ganung reminder. So siguro, Atome, medyo siguro kailangan natin maglagay ng reminder sa app na mag-due na yung bill, tapos kailangan ng bayaran within 1 hour, and so. Sana maging proactive po tayo. Isa sana yan sa magandang improvement na pwede nating ilagay sa app. And then, na-auto-charge din yung link bank card ko, which I only used before for one-time payment. So at least, nung nag-auto-convert naman to, sinarge na kagad yung bank account niya. Nung sinarge na yung bank account niya, na-clear na yung unang installment. Kasi, kung na-convert lang yan into installment, na-convert na nga, magbabayad ka na ng interest na 6% based sa ilang months, tapos magpe-penalty ka pa dahil hindi mo nabayaran yung unang buwan. So, somehow, medyo okay na rin para sa kanya, but syempre, sana aware yung mga tao na mag-auto-charge pala siya. Because of that, instead of paying in full, na-convert siya into monthly installment within few thousand pesos worth of interest, which honestly felt heavy. Yes. Parang ang sakit na hindi mo kasi plano na i-convert siya to installment because of the interest nga. Masakit sa kalooban yung bigla ka na pagbabayarin ng interest. Well, probably kasi hindi aware ang karamihan sa sistema ni Atome. Okay, at first, I reached out to their support pero puro template replies. They kept explaining their policy pero hindi nila directly in-address yung main concern ko about lack of notice and consent. I would agree kasi wala po akong na-experience na notification niya. So what I did, I escalated the concern through BSP. Honestly, smooth ang process. I just followed the online complaint steps, submitted my concern. After that, na-endorse agad yan case back to the company and doon nagbago yung response nila na mas detailed na and they finally reviewed my case properly. They offered a resolution. I settled the remaining balance. They processed a waiver for the installment interest. Nag-complain na lang ako para ma-resolve na and now I'm just waiting for the waiver to be applied. So, medyo mahabang route yan. And yes, feeling ko natuto na si Atome because marami nagkaka-issue sa auto-convert na to. And again, sabi ko nga parang hindi siya nagiging makatarungan. Unless otherwise na within the day, meron i-add ni Atome yung feature na notification like pwede ka mag-set a notification na every 6 o'clock ng due date mo is magno-notify sa'yo. Every 9 o'clock or every 8 o'clock magno-notify sa'yo. Which is magandang feature po yan. And sa Atome, sa general manager nila, kung makakarating po ito sa inyo, okay po na feature request to. Kasi malaking tulong po sa mga gumagamit na hindi po sila matatrap dun sa installment. Okay, let's go dun sa feature na magsusolve na itong problemang to. Apparently, meron na palang toggle to switch on or off itong auto-convert feature ni Atome. Hindi ko rin talaga alam. As in, ngayong araw ko lang nakita na merong ganitong feature na si Atome. Okay, silipin natin sa app. Makikita natin yan under bills. Tapos ayan o, bumungad na kagad sa akin, auto installment. Naset ko na sa akin ng 3 month, pero i-click po natin yan. Pag-click po natin yan, auto installments, protected credit. Auto installments helps you to stay on top of your payment and protect your credit automatically. Nakalagay dito, by turning on auto installment, you agree to activate this feature and understand that your bills will be automatically reviewed and split. So sa akin, clinic ko dito ay auto 3-month plan. So pag clinic natin yan, ito yung pagpipilian. So it's either auto 3-month plan or auto 6-month plan. So pwede mong switch, tapos click mo lang yan. Yan, magiging auto 6-month plan na yan. And ang kagandahan pa dito, guys, is ito na po. Kung ayaw mo mag-auto-convert siya into installment, you can just toggle it off. Simple as that. So, ano naman mangyayari kung naka-off ang auto-installment? So, syempre, wala ka nang babayarang interest dyan, di ba? So, ito ang ginawa ko ngayon. Nagtanong ako sa customer service ni Atome. At ito ang sabi niya. So, ang tanong ko sa kanya, if the auto-installment toggle is off, will my due still be converted into installment? Ang sagot niya, if the auto-installment feature is disabled, your due amount would be automatically switched to installment plan. The auto installment will only take effect if the feature is enabled and all other conditions are satisfied. You can adjust these settings within the app, etc., etc., etc. Next question ko naman, sabi ko, what are the fees if I fail to pay on due date and the auto installment toggle is off? If you miss the payment deadline for your Atome card bill and the auto installment option is off, you could incur finance charges and late fees. So, yan yung mangyayari sa dues natin if hindi siya ma-convert into installment. Basically, mag-overdue ka, tapos matcha-chargean ka ng late fees and interest. Kasi hindi mo na-settle yung dues mo, kaya instead na 0% interest yan, magkakaroon ka na rin ng interest. So, the question na lang dyan is, anong mas mataas na interest? Yung interest ba na babayaran mo yung buong amount na na-late sa'yo or mas okay na na-convert siya into installment? Basically, this feature now is available para sa lahat. You can check your Atome app and toggle on or off, or maybe select nyo 3 months or 6 months, depende sa pangangailangan nyo. Sa akin siguro, safe kung itoggle na lang sa 3 months. At least, if mag-auto-convert man siya, hindi masakit yung interest na 6 months na around 6%, diba? Pwede na rin. At least may safety net ako, hindi masisira yung aking credit record. And meron naman akong card na nakalagay dyan na laging may laman. So I guess, may safety net ako kahit paano in case na makalimutan ko magbayad on time. Anyway, with that feature request, yung notification sana or reminder, mas malaking tulong po yan sa mga gumagamit ng Atome. For our question of the day, para sa inyo, is it better ba na naka-on or off itong auto installment feature ni Atome? Ano sa tingin nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for our weekly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Ken at Ken-15. Sabi po niya, pa-shoutout na lang po sir. Big fan at supporter here from Tagum City. Wow, kay Sir Ken, thank you so much po for following and supporting me. Maraming salamat po na-appreciate ko po itong sinabi niyo po sa akin. Maraming salamat po and thank you so much. Huwag po kayong magsasawa na manood at supportahan ako. Thank you so much po. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala na nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!